Hi friends, today we will see how a C-section surgery is performed. This is a major surgery in which the baby is delivered safely when a normal delivery is not possible. Let's understand the whole process step by step. For the surgery, the patient is brought into the operation theatre. First, the patient is made to wear a hospital gown, then she is laid down on the bed in a comfortable position. An IV line is inserted so that fluids and medicines can be given directly into the blood. After that, the skin is disinfected and the hair in the surgical area is shaved or trimmed. All this is done so that the surgery remains safe and infection-free. Then, the lower body is numbed using a spinal injection. Because of this, the patient remains awake during the surgery but cannot feel the lower part of the body. The patient may feel a little nervous, so the doctor and nurses provide comfort and reassurance. For the surgery, the doctor makes a horizontal cut in the lower abdomen, mostly above the pubic hair. Then the fat and tissues under the skin are gently separated and the muscles are pushed aside to reach the upper layer of the uterus. After that, a small horizontal cut is made in the lower part of the uterus. The doctor ensures that the baby is not harmed. Sometimes a little fluid or bleeding may occur in the uterus, which is cleared with suction. Now comes the most exciting part, the delivery of the baby. The doctor gently takes the baby out of the uterus. Mucus is suctioned from the baby's nose and mouth. Then the umbilical cord is clamped and cut. Depending on the baby's health, it is decided whether the baby will be given skin-to-skin contact or transferred to the NICU. After that, the placenta is removed from the uterus and the uterus is cleaned. Now the incision is closed by stitching it layer by layer. Then the surgical area is covered with a bandage. The patient is then shifted to the recovery room and monitored, and pain relief medicines are given. Within 1-2 hours, the patient becomes fully awake and gradually can start food and walking. Full recovery usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. So this was the C-section surgery process. If you liked this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.